If product images aren't displaying on your Shopify store, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Check image uploads. Go to Shopify admin and navigate to products. Verify that the images have been successfully uploaded for each product. If not, re-upload the images and ensure they meet Shopify's image requirements. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, a cached version of the page might prevent images from displaying correctly. Clear your browser's cache or try accessing the site in an incognito window to check if the issue persists. Check image format and size. Ensure the image file format and size are compatible with Shopify's platform. If they are too large, use an image compression tool to reduce the file size without losing quality. Review theme settings. Go to Online Store, Themes, and click on Customize. Ensure that the settings under Theme Customization are correct. Some themes may have settings that hide images by default or require adjustments. Clear app conflicts. If you're using apps, deactivate them temporarily to check if any are causing conflicts with image loading.